Sorry about the fan noise, but the old extruder mount melted down last night, and the layers separated there, and it got kind of weird and pliable. Mainly because the part is rather thin. Turn the brightness down. The part is rather thin and mostly hollow. So I reprinted, re-expose, so we can see what we're doing. There we go. I reprinted the part, made it a little bit thicker, and then remade the bracket part to be a little bit thicker. This one, as you can see, is bent. So I made it a little bit thicker, a little more beefier, a little bit more plastic in the part itself to help with printing. And now I have it pretty much push button start, working pretty well. It's a little layer, the first layer is a little bit squashed on the back, so I've got to adjust that, but that's pretty simple. But I'm pretty happy I got this this thing finally printing. I think I just need to heat this a little bit longer. This plastic, or this film that's on the bed, the PEI sheet, when it went on there were no bubbles, but then after I heated it up, I'm guessing steam or oils on my skin were on the plate, or the glass plate, even though I cleaned it with alcohol and let it dry. Still there. Kind of boiled up and made bubbles. I'm hoping those go over time. I'm told they do from the things I read. So I just gotta wait. When they do heat up, they do flatten out, but when they're cooled, they bubble up. So, but yeah, everything's working great. I can soon move it over to where the printer bot is. You could see it. Oh, it's so dark. Oh, it's so lonely over there. But this is the new workhorse. Once I get it fully tuned, fully printing, I've got my SD printing, so I never have to print with a computer anymore. But yeah, I'm happy this Lulzbot has, or Franken Lulz, or Lulz Frank, Lullikins, whatever, has turned out the way it has. It's pretty much the same thing, it's just wider. To accommodate the dual extruders so that I can basically print the full size of the bed. Sorry about the shaky phone. But yeah, I'm pretty impressed. Some people may question the printer bot extruders over the Lulzbot hexagonal extruder. I prefer the Lulzbot because I prefer the printer bot over the Lulzbot. Just because I have experience with the printer bot and how it prints. But because it's a fully Lulzbot printer, I can buy a Lulzbot tool head and just put it on here. So the extruders are a lot stiffer on the print head now. They were a little bit wobbly before. So I'm pretty pleased with this part. I hope it survives a little bit longer than the one that decided to fall apart. So it's shiny because I painted on acetone to, make the layer adhesion a little bit better. If focus ever happened on this phone. But yeah, this is just a test print that kind of fills the bed more or less, and then it puts in a grid in the middle just to kind of save on plastic. The part ends up looking like this. So this one kind of got weird on the bed because the extruder fell apart. And you can see there's little ripples. And it's not exactly a perfect grid. But yeah, it's kind of like a egg crate for like a light. Make crazy patterns of light if I wanted. But anyways, just a test part. It is rather stiff. But yeah, overall, I'm quite pleased. This will be a nice printer. Thanks, Lulzbot and PrinterBot and Rambo or Ultimachine. The parts work well. They work even better together. Collaboration?